back with another G-Army video. So tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to access the EUM Plus inside all the T-codes in G-Army. So instead of actually going to gcss-army.army.mil, you can actually go inside the T-code, go to the very top, and you can actually get access to the EUM Plus from there. So let me share my screen and show you how we do this. So this works with any T-code. So we're going to use IE05, change equipment. All right. You can go up to help, click that, and it's going to load this. So once you click the help button, it's going to load any helpful guide inside of that T-code. So change equipment, admin numbers, change property book IC, TAC code, CompSec, tell you how to manage CompSec equipment here. So like I said, this will work with any T-code, Yo-Bucks, whatever. Especially comes in handy when you're trying to conduct your inventories or demand analysis. There's a lot of helpful guides. So inside the EUM portal here, though, one key takeaway is your transaction guide and cue card. Like, I recommend doing a continuity book, put it together, and do it by cue card. That way, you know, everyone in your shop knows step by step on how business is supposed to be done. We're supposed to be operating by the way of our SOPs anyway. So you can also take some training in here too, as well, step by step, and you actually get to input and actually, you know, take part in the training. And there's also a demonstration. So I hope you all like this video. Make sure you hit subscribe. In the next couple days, there's gonna be a lot more videos dropping. I'm currently working on the ESR one, and once again, thank you guys for your support. Go Ordnance.